This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your speakers to your Windows PC. So this is easy to do. So these speakers were only like $25 on sale, but if I turn them around here, you can see there's a couple different wires on the back. One is for the power, and then one goes to this left speaker, and the third cable is the one you want to connect to your computer. But you're probably wondering, where do you connect this? Well, it's very easy. So you can see there's some spots on the front of your computer. You could connect them here under where the headphones go, right here, not where the microphone goes. You can connect them here, but you're going to want to connect them to the back of the computer. So if you look on the back of the computer, if I crawl on over here, there's some wires that connect right here. So you're going to be looking for these three little colors. It's going to be like blue, pink, violet, or something like that. And then the one in the middle is going to be for this speaker. So it's going to look like this. This is what it looks like, and it goes right in the center one, the green one, I should say. If the audio doesn't kick on, try a different one. It might not be exactly the one I'm showing you on your PC setup, but mine goes right in the middle, and you might hear your speakers buzz or something like that when you plug it in. But once you have it plugged in right there, you should start hearing audio now. So once again, you could maybe try this front one, but just turn on your speakers now and turn them up and go to like YouTube or something like that and just see if it works, and try different slots on the back of your computer if that one's not working. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.